This is my 2021 Camry, and it is very, very, very slow. And today, we're gonna be fixing that. Kinda. One of the Camry boys sold me his old Idrive. It's over, so let's install it. Just a fair warning to anybody who wants to get this. This will not increase your horsepower or really make you faster. So, I was wrong. This shit is crazy. This guy is so Vietnamese, bro. He didn't take off the plastic cover yet. I love this guy. So it's pretty easy. Just 2 screws, one right, one left. Easy.
My gender. I'm a mechanic.
Not too hard. I'm gonna try to zoom in here, but take out this plug from the pedal. Once the plug is out, it's just plug and play. Plug this in and you're all good. It should now look like that, and the wire comes out to the iDrive. So everything's wired in. I put 3M tape on the back and I put it here. Now I'm just gonna hope the car starts with no issues. Stories of some people having check engine lights. I'd say if you do, just let it chill for a bit and then eventually it'll go away. This is how it's looking now. Right now it's on E1, stands for Eco, which should be about the same. I'm not too sure. There are some videos on here which I'll link up here for more detail. But I do want to go and test drive and see if it actually makes a difference or not. Let's go.
The next day.
So after driving with the iDrive for around a day, I was wrong. This definitely makes you go faster. I think so. Overall, it was hella fun to drive, and I hella recommend it. It's a pretty easy mod to install too, and it'll make your 4-banger feel like a 6. The link will be below if you guys want to buy it. Let me know how it goes. If you guys have any questions, leave it below, and I'll make sure to respond to them. I'll see you next video. Bye.